So in other words, I'm asking forgiveness of you, and you in turn ask for me. That creates that round. See? It wouldn't do if I was to ask her for forgiveness and she didn't of me, because it still leaves that unfinished link. Thing when you're creating this, doing it for yourself, cleansing divine creator Father, Mother, Son as one. If I, Morna Simeona, has offended you, now you're talking about the divine creator, in thoughts, words, deeds, and actions, from the beginning of my creation to the present, humbly, 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 I ask forgiveness on behalf. We ask forgiveness, and go all the way through to the end. Now, instead of saying, "Will you forgive us?" all I say, "Forgive us," instead of "Will you," and then finish with the other. So we will have them printed for you, so it would be easier.
What a powerful 1-minute audio from Master Morna Namalaka Simeona. In this video, we're going to unpack what is absentee cleaning, and we're going to get into a little bit deeper on this karmic cleansing. The unfinished link that she speaks of, I want to touch on this because this is so important. If you are doing the 4 phrases, you are unfortunately leaving an unfinished link.